best book of health. We know what's good, we know how we feel. Always listen and learn how to read your own bodies. There's nothing as powerful of that as that. And of all the machinery that is known to man, the most miraculous machine is this human body. When you give up foods that you're sensitive or allergic to and you balance your hormones, the body will automatically heal itself. It's phenomenal. So, as we continue, how many people here take a probiotic? Okay, almost everybody. It's a must. Our gut is our second brain. Our gut not only helps the brain, but the immune system. Every single part of our body is affected by the health of our gut. And so many people think that burping and GERD and burning and bloating is normal. It is not. And after years of having the problems of your stomach that you think are normal, all of a sudden we develop a disease. It's very, very important to take a probiotic. There has been one that just about 6 months ago came on the market that I love. It's from Solaray, and it's called Microbiome. We have billions and billions of microbiome all over our body, inside the skin, in our organs. And the Solaray came out with a way to keep it alive in the stomach for 60 minutes. And that's very important because that's how long it takes for it to get into the intestine. And that's where you need a probiotic, in the intestines. Most of them do not withstand 60 minutes of the acid in the stomach. Now, not only do you have probiotics in these, but you also have a prebiotic, which feeds the probiotic. It's powerful, and what they did, they actually went and made one for women, one for men, different strains. Some of them have 24 different strains, some have 12. One for urgent care, 100 billion for anybody that has any kind of candida, anybody that's been on an antibiotic. It takes 2 years after you've been on an antibiotic for us to build up the good flora in our gut. 2 years. So I love this one, and you will notice a difference. You don't get sick as often, and your skin gets better. It's very, very important. So hopefully you all will consider taking a probiotic. As we continue,